Concrete is a mixture of cement, sand, aggregate, and water. What is grade of concrete? Grade of concrete is defined as the minimum strength the concrete must possess after 28 days of construction with proper quality control. Grade of concrete is denoted by prefixing the letter M to the desired strength in megapascal. For example, consider the grade M10. Here, the letter M denotes mix and the value 10 denotes the compressive strength of concrete in Newton per mm square. How to select suitable concrete grade for construction? Grade of concrete construction is selected based on structural design requirements. There are two types of concrete mixes. They are nominal mix and design mix. Now we can look on to what you mean by nominal mix. Nominal mix concrete are generally used for small scale construction and small residential buildings where concrete consumption is not high. Mixes are on fixed proportions. IS 456 permits nominal mixes for concrete of strength M20 or lower. In design mix, mixes are designed on the basis of requirements of concrete in fresh and hardened state. Concrete grade and mix ratio table. Before going to mix ratio table, let's look on what a mix ratio represents. Consider the mix ratio 1:2:4. This represents 1 part cement, 2 part sand, and 4 part aggregate. Which means for 1 part cement it requires 2 part sand and 4 part aggregate. This is a table showing different grades of concrete and their mix ratios. We can see that from the grade M5 to M20 it is considered as normal grade concrete. From M25 to M45 it is considered as standard grade concrete. And from M50 to M70 it is considered as high strength concrete. And the mix ratios are given, and the compressive strength in megapascal and PSI, which is pound-force per square inch, is given. Now let's look on to a trick to remember the mix ratios. This trick is applicable from grade M5 to M25. You can see that the ratios are in the proportion of 1:n:2n for the grades from M5 to M25. That is, the ratio of aggregate is twice that of the sand. That is, if you remember the ratio of sand, you can take the ratio of aggregate as twice as that of sand. Now we can look at the uses of different grades of concrete. The uses of concrete grades from M10 to M45 is shown in the table, and we can see that some of these grades can be used for both commercial and domestic purposes. Now let's look on to some important points regarding this topic. The minimum grade for concrete for plain cement concrete, that is PCC, is M15. The minimum grade of concrete for reinforced cement concrete, that is RCC, is M20. Thanks for watching. I hope all of you got an idea about this topic.